Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Folks, what is cracking? So last week I uploaded a story to my Instagram. I was in the middle of making dinner basically. I made gnocchi with creamy beetroot sauce. It was really, really good. And I got a lot of comments coming in for that. So I was just like, hey, let me just show you how it's done. And I'm going to be teaching you today how to make that. As always, if you like vegan recipes, plant-based, vegetarian, there are no animals or animal products on my channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe, it will mean the world to me. And of course, leave a comment down below if you have any requests. I love you all. Have an amazing week. Let's get cooking. Okay, so we're going to start off by shredding our beetroot, literally 2 golf ball sized ones from the vacuum pack, that's just about right. Lightly fry our onion and our garlic. You want to silver the onions, don't let them go brown, let them go silver, that's the right kind of colour and consistency that you're looking for. And once they've reached a nice colour that we're looking for, what we're then going to do is add our sugar. This is just going to caramelise it a little bit and give it a bit of extra sweetness. Again, this is completely optional. Once our sugar's dissolved, we're then going to add our beetroot in there and then slowly add the vinegar. The reason why I add the vinegar slowly and not all at once is because every vinegar is different. Some are really potent and strong. Some of them are a bit weaker than that. So I put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Just taste it as you go along just to make sure it's nice. It should have a nice kick to it, but it shouldn't taste too pickled. Next, once that's all nice and infused, we're going to add our cream. And literally that's it. At this stage, like I say, you can blend it and just basically turn it into a thin kind of pink cream kind of thing. I prefer mine with the textures. You'll see afterwards, I'll show you what it's meant to look like if you blend it. Then once that's done, just quickly add your gnocchi to the boiling water. The moment they all float to the top, they're ready. And then just add them to the mix, give them a nice stir and plate that up, and there you have it. Creamy beetroot gnocchi. It's a lovely dish. Hope you enjoy it. So folks, a little bit of a taste test here, right? Of course this would be nice. I had this the other day anyway, so I already knew this was going to be nice. But basically, look, with the sauce, before I added the gnocchi into the sauce, what you could do is put that beetroot mix with the onions and everything into a blender. And then you'd be basically left with a pink looking cream, which I guess like for Instagram and stuff, if you want to do like nice fancy photos with that, it would look really nice. But I don't really care about pretty, I'll do yummy, as I always say. This is nice as well because you've got different textures in there as well. Overall, this is a really nice dish. Remember, this is sweet, this isn't savoury. Because it's beetroot and beetroot just goes well with sweet food. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, hit subscribe, leave a comment down below. I will love you for it. Folks, have a good one, and I will see you on the next episode. Ciao for now.